Yeah. I don't think we're there yet because he said there's a mud bridge thing. Go back up. Huh?
This is what Isaiah has me going through. You see that? Look at how easy he made that one. Look what I've got. No. Mom's ready to go. Oh look what we got. Hold on. You sure about that? So we don't even yeah, we're gonna have to do video. We can't do pictures. Come here. Come on, Isaiah. Danny, Isaiah. Yeah. Where's Danny? I don't see him. You wanna go up to the top, you're saying? The top. I just wanna see. Take a picture up here. Let me have this. Ouch. Yeah, it's just a video. It's just a video. No, wonder how we can take a picture. Isaiah, how do we even take a picture up there? That's so cool. Yep, red. Oh look, I can see it. Come here, Danny. Come on. In here, right here. Right here next to you. Look. There you go. Isaiah, turn around. Okay. Tell him to come back down here. Okay, so now I can take a picture later.
Right, we're good. Let's go.
We're going.
We're out.
Yeah, some of us have to pee, remember?
Everybody, we are at Glass Beach. Danny beat us down here. It's very choppy water. Let's see. Very pretty. Baby crab. He's scared of us. He's running away. Whoa, he's fast. He is so fast. Hey, buddy. Whoa, he's gone. Looking for glass on Glass Beach. Pretty. We're at Glass Beach and we got some goodies. Apparently the green ones are rare.
And blue is the rarest.
The blues are rarest.
And there used to be a glass factory here until it got broken down and all the water grinded it down. Every time it goes in and out the tides.
The glass becomes smoother.
Yep. And also, she said if you take lava home on accident,
You
back
could-
out of Hawaii, you'll be cursed for 7 years. So don't do that.
Don't take anything with sand either because there's lava mixed in.
Yep.
Okay, we're heading down to the beach to watch the sunset. My mom is waiting at the bottom of the stairs with my shoes because I left them in the car on accident. There she is. She looks mad as usual. And Danny has an RC car. We're gonna see if we can drive it on the grass.
Oh yeah, you said they were over
Oh,
there.
there's a security guard.
Oh, I thought you said you knew where it was.
Let me ask the guy.
I can.
Oh no, I think she meant that guy.
Oh, that guy.
It's okay. He's on a mission, man.
This one did. I'll look for it. I think it, you know where it is, Elisa? I think it's where the water.
Too far.
What? It's not too far. This is the way that we went last time, remember? Oh, Danny.
So this little one is not battery powered, but it's so fast.
Yep.
I bet you could even drive in the sand. Look. That's crazy.
I wouldn't ruin the
And
battery.
then look, it even has this feature where you put it up and then it'll accelerate by itself.
Oh, that didn't work. He killed it. Mom's on a mission. She's ready to go out there and see that sunset. I know. Oh, look. There's some chairs out there, Mom. Let's go. Let's go get some. Let's go get some. We're ready to go see this pretty sunset from our hotel. And Danny's driving his car, very scary, on this really pretty grass. Barely. It's actually pretty smooth grass, so it makes sense. It's not gonna work at home, that's for sure.
No, it will.
Sun is setting. Going behind those clouds there.
You got me looking at this top light.
And my mom's talking to my dad. He's back at home watching all the puppies. And there's Danny, the savior with the bug spray. Thank you.
I wonder if I can like jump all
Oh look, there's Nina.
That's all I can.
I wouldn't. Why would you do that? Your knees. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Me, Danny, and Isaiah heading out. Danny, you want to come in the picture?
I don't want to step in that big pile with my shoes.
You're gonna get in the waves. Danny's running. I know. Look, there's Nina. He's saving him. He's saving him. Oh, that was cute. He was trying to grab him. I know. Nina would. I know. He's like, you're not catching me. Nope, I'm gonna save those people.
That's Nina.
Literally. See why we couldn't bring her.
What up, guys?
Isaiah and Danny say there's something creepy under this, but I think it's pretty. What?
What if I screamed out,
Don't do that. What's wrong with you? See, I can't even record stuff. You guys are like,
that's what people want to see, stuff like that.
nobody wants to see. Oh yeah, dang. I wouldn't be swimming when it's dark because that's probably like when the creepy.
What the?
What? I see. Yeah, that's.
Look where my finger is, guys.
No, it's not on your finger. I'm like this way. Okay. There's a little girl with it. Okay, I know. We were told that lava rocks are bad luck. We're staying away from them.
Remember, never bring lava rock home.
Not even the smallest, tiniest piece on your shoe. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
I think we might actually see some when we go to our boat excursion.
Okay, over here you're gonna be amazed. The swimming pools here are nice. Huh, Isaiah? You're gonna be amazed.
We'll see.
Look, there's one over there. There's a little baby one in there, right? That's nothing though.
Yeah.
Watch this, guys. Okay, look, there's beds here now.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Oh, this
Remember
is
this?
nice.
It was so dark you couldn't see nothing. Remember?
I would sit
You
on
had to get a
that.
flashlight just to see this, guys. So
Oh,
watch.
so
Wait till we see the pool.
we should have went just like slightly earlier, like maybe like
when I
30
said.
minutes 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, like when Danny said.
Yeah, Danny said, and then he had to go back and get snacks and water. And what else did he need? A charger. Yeah, I'm not too happy about this. Danny, come over here.
M&M. You ain't promoted by them. M&M's went indoors.
Is that a pool or is that a hot tub?
That's a pool. Wait till the World Cup.
Pool or hot tub?
Yeah, up here. Look. There's a whirlpool.
Okay, this is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, is this Poipu?
I want to go up there.
Yeah, I think we can. We are approaching a very large bird. Looks like a flamingo.
Oh, flamingo. Oh,
flamingo pool. It looks like they're having a party.
Have you seen those flags there with the fishes on them? They're like everywhere they have flags.
Oh, maybe that's their official flag.
Yeah.
Right on the beach, Brenrex.
Brennex. Oh, you know what? This might be a beach. Brennex Beach. You can still see the sunset. We're walking back to see what else they've got out here, even though it's dark. Yeah, I can barely see you guys. I can see your heads. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, no, it's not even lighting up.